The main cattle price gauge, the Eastern Young Cattle Indicator, is down from $10.50 a kilo to less than $5 in 12 months. And the lamb price is down by half, with growers getting as little as $2 a head for their sheep. Now, the reason is that farmers are destocking ahead of the coming El Nino, which is expected to bring drought and a shortage of pasture. So there's a lot of beef and lamb in the saleyards right now. It's quite the opposite in the United States, actually, where the cattle prices hit a record high because they're coming off drought and restocking, ready for the lusher pastures. So there's a shortage. Now, obviously, it's bad news that we're probably in for a drought, but the good news is that the big drop in saleyard prices is starting to show up in the butcher shops, with declines in the prices of beef, lamb and pork. So you should get in for your chop. Meanwhile, in financial markets, the Australian dollar popped back above 64 US cents. But I think it's fair to say that the trend remains downwards for the time being because of the decline in commodity prices and the strength of the US dollar. The share market went up 0.4% with strongish gains among banks and miners, but CSL fell and Cleanaway got a little bit trashed. The oil price continued to rise as Saudi Arabia and Russia extended their production cuts, but metals fell. And Asian markets were mixed today after a positive session in New York on Friday. And that's finance.